Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Over the past week, and one of them just happened today, somebody emailed me about exporting and the colors not be true. So this is a file I created in CorelDraw. This is a PDF file that I imported in. And this is a file I imported in. And we're just going to go through this real quick. So here's the file I created in CorelDraw. These are all, let me go to Object Group and ungroup it. And we have 100% black in RGB. And the green is 255.0, 255.0. So I'm going to go ahead and group it. I don't think it matters. I'm going to go to File and Export, and I'm going to call this ball PDF 1. And right here is the trick. Go to Colors, and I'm going to do it as default, which is CMYK. Okay. Now I'm going to take it and I'm going to go to File and export it as ball PDF 2. But this time I'm going to go to Colors and I'm going to change it to RGB. Now if we import those, ball 1, which is going to be our CMYK, doesn't matter what you pick here. Look how it lost some luster. It lost some colors. The green just totally different. Now let's import it as that ball 2, which we imported as a RGB. And look at that. It's the identical picture as before. So if you print and you're drawing it in CorelDraw to print and your printer needs CMYK, draw in CMYK. Most of my viewers are laser engravers, or used to be anyway, and we draw in RGB. So if you draw, let's just go, let's make a CMYK palette. Okay. Now let's make it a CMYK red. And let's just put a yellow box in it that is going to be a CMYK yellow. Now let's get rid of all this. And you only want to, from what I understand, you only want to export what you don't want anything else on the screen because it's going to export it too. So we're going to go export as test 1. And right here, we're going to go Colors and we're going to go CMYK. Now we're going to right click our mouse and import test 1. And it's the identical as before. If we haven't lost any color, we've got 0, 0, 100, or 0, 0, 100, 0, 0, 0, 100, 0. So they're exactly the same color. Let's just happen to see what this looks like if we export it as a RGB. So we're going to go up here to Color, and we're going to pick RGB. Right click, import. I can tell on my screen, at least, the yellow is now a RGB yellows. So it's the yellows are pretty close, but I can see a difference in the two yellows right here. You know, mine is just a little bit brighter. And look at the red. My red is redder. Well, I take it back. The red on the CMYK is redder. So the colors are a little bit different. So make sure you have that checked to whatever you drew it at. And if you draw it in CMYK, and it's real easy to get rid of this other palette, just go palette and close, because I don't ever use CMYK. Anyway, I hope that helped those people a little bit. Thank you for watching.